walk, yeah. Thumb through all this money, yeah. My fingers be hurt, I'm good on that gas for sure, yeah. You know it's for certain, nigga, hello.
What's up, gang? Back with another video. Man, me and my crew done got called out for a race, but as y'all know, my car's still down. It's crazy, man. My guys up here about to show out though, man. HB on top. We finna see what's up. We at On Q finna get some gas. I'm get y'all little B-rolls and everything and stuff like that. I got y'all. As y'all can tell, we got the cat.
That shit make
that shit loud, bro.
You with us?
Yeah.
Damn. Nobody gave Savion the pump. You want my pump? Yeah.
We out here, man. I wish I had my shit though, bro. We got my boy on 4Gs. Y'all know we got the fastest Honda in the city right here. I ain't gonna show all his stuff because he might not want everything showed on camera, but we got the fastest Honda right here in HB. Feel me? We got the the famous with the gold peak. Y'all should sponsor me. Y'all feel me, my boy? Got the fastest GT over there. We ain't even go say too much around here, you feel me? Man, as y'all know, we got the fastest group in the city. But shit, I'm gonna tell y'all, look at this, boy. We got the fastest. You feel me? Hold on. What's that? That's that red eye, boy. The red eye. We got the fastest. Man, I'm just let y'all know, bro. We got the fastest crew in the city. Mark my words, fastest crew in the city, my boys. Y'all already know, my car down, though. My boy getting me right. I'll be out tomorrow. But, man, we got the fastest 10 speed. Yes, sir. What up for us then? Okay. Hey, y'all, we cutting up the traffic. We put money? Oh. Y'all brought money into it? Oh. What we doing? I think we doing D's, man. I'm gonna run him first, then after get up there with this. Probably not honk because niggas shit so loud. Yeah, I ain't gonna be yeah, so people got to take passes. I'm not bursting, alright? I need to all be assessed. Yeah, you need to take passes. Alright, y'all, I know. We're not gonna be cruising down the highway for 10 minutes. Hey, YouTube, I'm mad at them motherfuckers, man. I'm supposed to have my car. They out here talking shit and everything, man. But that's alright. Hopefully I get it tomorrow. I'm gonna run them. Hey, man, it's a turn up. It's about to be summer. I'm on everything, but we in traffic with it. HB versus HT. They, as always, as we knew, they was gonna try to call out our slowest car. But we got it though. YouTube, don't do what we do.
Ah, they gonna block us in.
Nah, go. Get in.
Huh? Hey, hold on, mama.
Friday night in the city. Where they go?
They still going
Friday night. Friday night in the city, man. This is what goes on. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, Blake.
SUV, look, it doesn't matter. It's not gonna hook. Cancel the case. It's not gonna hook.
12 Uchis.
It's not gonna hook.
Where's some Ruchis?
We know what it is.
Your race day.
No. Don't do the white BMW.
Hey,
Find out.
who got the white BMW? Yeah. Oh, yeah. He started fast.
Started trying to burn some of your like plug wires and stuff.
Yeah.
So that's part of why I told you before that they need to be swapped because they're pretty rough.
That's horrible. Man, I just got my baby back. Been a minute. But happy for the progress. Man, but look at this thing, man. I think this one of the fastest Meros in Oklahoma City, man. Got my boy shop. Man, if you need him, hit him up on Facebook, Instagram. Look at the insides. Ready, boy. These folks can hit him up. We gonna get you right. But I just seen another 60. I don't know if he coming up here or not, but look at this baby boy. About to go ahead and head up here to Keno the Streets at Thunder Valley in OKC. Y'all know where that at? It's Noble, Oklahoma. I got it set up, got my car the other day. Man, I'm ready to go see what it's gonna do, man. I might be in the chance, who knows? I don't know. This thing is slow though, so I'm up there waiting on the bro. And on top of that, I gotta fill the gas hand up. So I'm gonna top back when I get done. Gas can.